Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I will reveal the real cost of most popular hosting provider. Also, I will show you the secret marketing tips they use to tap your wallet. So, let's get started. So here is the most popular hosting provider companies, and I have opened 3 companies in here. For example, and first the GoDaddy, second the Hostinger, and third the Namecheap. And first we are going to discuss with Hostinger. And when you visit Hostinger, then you can see that they offer $2.99 per month. Okay, and this is a offer. Also, if you click on the climb deal, then click on here. Let me show you the real cost. It's redirect to the hosting plan package in here. That's mean if I click on here, it's scroll down to this pricing table or pricing plan, and you can see that here is the pricing plan, premium plan, $2.99 per month, and this is featured in here. Looks here, this offer is featured in here. And the most popular package is business plan and the another cloud startup. So let's talk about with premium or featured hosting plan, because this featured hosting plan refer this premium plan. And now I'm going to show you the secret marketing tips that they use to tap your wallet. So going to open the calculator. Okay, looks very carefully. Okay, I'm going to keep it on here. So you see they have added simple text in here with blurry color. Looks very carefully. Get 48 month for $143.52. Regular price USD $575.52, and renew at $7.99 per month. So let me show you the real cost in here. So you only get 75% off when you purchase for 48 month. That's mean 4 years. You have to purchase for 4 years, and you have to pay upfront, and for that you have to upfront $143.52. Okay, this is another marketing tab. That's mean you will not get 75% off for 1 month, 2 month, or 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. You have to purchase minimum for 4 years. That's mean 48 years. Okay, and you have to upfront $143.52. Okay, also if you want to renew after 4 years, you have to pay monthly $7.99 per month. Looks here very carefully. It's almost 3x more than regular offer or offer price or premium featured package price, because you have to pay $7.99 per month at renew. So I hope you understand the secret marketing tricks that they use or tap your wallet. So this is Hostinger. Now we'll go another hosting company, and finally we'll compare and decide which hosting company will be best for us as a beginner. So we get an idea in here. Now go back GoDaddy. This is another most popular hosting company, and I'm going to open hosting. So open the web hosting and scroll down. Here is the hosting plan or pricing table, and first they keep web hosting economy, manage WordPress basic, and web hosting relax. Okay, so first we look at the minimum monthly cost. Their minimum monthly cost $5.99 per month, and their offer price $5.99 per month, and you can save 40%. This is the trap. Okay, and with the 3 years term, you must have to agree with the 3 years terms to get this offer or to save 40% of this hosting purchase, and you have to pay $250 $64 upfront or today. That's when you have to pay this amount $250, and hostinger we see $143. Okay, then renew price at $459.63. That's mean you have to renew for 3 years at once, but in hostinger you can renew per month basis or yearly basis after 4 years. There is different marketing tricks or marketing techniques of this hosting company. This is not only for hostinger or GoDaddy. All the hosting company use their best marketing technique or tricks to do best business with their customers. Okay, so I hope you understand the idea of GoDaddy. Then we are going to Namecheap. Though Namecheap is popular for domain, not for hosting, but we are going to look at hosting also, because maximum people try to purchase hosting and domain from same company. That's why when they come to Namecheap, they automatically being involved or interested to purchase the hosting from the same company. So now we are going to check out the price. Scroll down. Here is the featured hosting plan. You can start with $1.98 per month and regular price $4.48. Okay, you can save 56%. So you see their price is very low, though Namecheap is popular for low price at domain and hosting. Okay, also they have others plan like Stellar Business, Easy WP Starter and so more. So now we have to compare which hosting plan will be best for you. I have already shared Namecheap is not best for hosting because they are popular for domain, but as a beginner you can consider or you can select Namecheap. They also have own marketing trap or tricks to tap your wallet. That's just a marketing term or word. So I hope you understand. Then if I think about another or only hosting based company, you can think about the GoDaddy, and you see GoDaddy price is very high. And finally the hostinger. Here is the hostinger. I think if you consider everything and want to take a final decision, I recommend to use hostinger, because hostinger save your money. Hostinger focused on hosting provide, not domain like Namecheap. Also hostinger have great customer support. I use personally hostinger. Also I use GoDaddy and I use Namecheap based on my different purpose or different requirement, but for hosting I focused on hostinger. So I recommend to use hostinger for their price, for their best and fast support and website backup, AI website any issue detect and fixing. Overall hostinger is best for any small business or any medium sized business, especially for e-commerce, because you will get 24 hours live support and you will get instant backup restore support, and they have built-in AI feature which automatically always look up your website security. If they found any issue, they automatically detect this issue and fix it automatically and send you the email. So I hope you understand. Also you are free to take your own decision and select the best hosting company. So thank you for your time to watch the full video. So I hope you get the idea of most popular hosting providers secret marketing tip or technique or tricks, and you can select the best hosting company. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant website design, development, customization or migration, also anything relevant SEO, search engine optimization to rank your website on the search result, then you can contact with me. I am working as a professional WordPress developer and Shopify developer, and I also provide SEO service. I have a long time experience on this field. So you get personal consultation, free support, and you will get the best quality of service from me. So thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.